What's going on, everybody? It's CryptoVision here, back again with another crypto market deep dive. Today's video, we're going to be checking out FILECOIN for premium member request. So if you like today's video, hit that like button, subscribe for more. If you're interested in a free Discord, no strings attached. If you're bullish, if you're bearish, if you love crypto, if you hate it, if you're into precious metals like gold and silver or in traditional stocks, I got you covered. I also offer a premium membership through Patreon. Bunch of tools for your toolkit, a bunch of different features that you get to explore on Patreon. Everything that I offer is through there. But things that I offer are trading view indicators, signals, buy and sell signals, instant chart updates, video requests, and I also do a Profit Lab series, an educational series that we go through. We look at setups, we track everything. All the receipts are there. It's every Friday. It's an exclusive. Bunch of good content comes out of that. So, as always, if you're interested in any of those, that'll be linked in the description. Thank you for stopping by. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into FileCoin. So, we got FileCoin here, and this is exactly what you'd want to see from an asset that has been correcting since 2021. So, 5-year correction. Okay, 5-year correction has led us to where we're at today. Okay, and so I mean, realistically, this thing has gone down to the depths and to the pits of Hades. I mean, it's leveled off. This is pure accumulation. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and see how far and how low we have come. Okay, we've taken out all previous levels. Okay, so there's no levels to take out anymore. Okay, so let's just check this out. See where we got from here. From this big 1-2, where did we go? The 1618, that's negative. Okay, that's a negative $8. Okay, so that's not going to be anything, but we're going to mark this 1618. That's it. It's probably going to be a big area. Okay, that's what we're going to mark. Okay, double one. Okay, and then big 786, that's a big area, but that's $111. We're at 71 cents. So maybe we're going to not maybe we're not going to mark that as yellow. That would definitely be a green target. You know, even the even the 1-to-1 ratio, right? That's where a lot of these cryptos are at. They're so low, $84. That would be insane. Okay, um, what is this market cap at? 568 million. Yeah, I don't know if $87 is quite attainable, but we can only dream, right? We can only dream. What did it do? I'm like reading this upside down. It got up to $12 in November. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out this level through here. So we did this right here. Bada bing, bada boom. So where are we at? What are we doing? That's still a negative. But we're getting some key levels, and we're gonna check to see whether or not these match up with any kind of price. Okay. And then last but not least, let's get this one in here too. Let's get this one in here. This nice little 1-2 down in here. 1-2 buckle my shoe. That was a little bit off. I'm not gonna lie, that was a little bit off. You know me and my key levels, right? My key levels. Would you look at that? Where are we at right here? I'm just looking for key levels that would line up with where we're at. This is still negative. I'm just doing the closest to the negative, honestly, because I'm just doing the next closest one. I think that would actually be resistance, because that's at $2. Okay, because a lot of these are just in the negatives. But look at this zone that I've already created. Look at this zone. This is beautiful. Look at that zone right in there. Even right in through here. So that's definitely a big area. Okay. Okay, so we've got some areas to the upside. Now we got to figure out where the heck we're going to go to the downside. I can do one more. I can do this one. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get anything else out of this, because it's this. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to get anything out of this. What's the next best thing? 20 cents? We're at 12. We're at 71 cents. 20 cents. Well, that could be worst case scenario. That's the next closest besides a negative. Okay. That's pretty low though. Okay, that's pretty low. Even for my standards. Okay, that's pretty low. Okay, so let's try out through here. We're gonna do this. We're gonna take this low up and through here. Take the low. Perfect. We're gonna take this high. Perfect. 1272 is right at negative. I mean, it's pretty damn close. It's at 20 cents, right? That's pretty close. So we're not gonna get anything out of that. So let's go ahead and start looking at this setup where we're at now. So we're going to start looking at this right in through here. Okay, because this is the tail end of a correction. Okay, so it does look like you have like this 1, 2, A, B, C for your third. You come up for a fourth, and you got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're coming down for a 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're coming down for a 5. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I do want to kind of check this out. Ooh, 97 cents. That's a little bit closer. There's gonna be some big areas of resistance, right? I mean, $7. That's a profit taking level when you're at 71 cents. That's a 10x, right? So we gotta keep that mindful. All right, then let's take this guy right through here. We're just going down the line. 61 cents. Found something. Wow, that's almost perfect. Okay, working our way downtown. Working our way downtown. White Chicks. That movie is so funny. Okay, so where are we at right here? Now we got to get this last little guy right through here. This fourth wave move. Wow. Wow, that's perfect. Look at that. Look how that works out where you just work from top to bottom, not bottom to top. You don't work your way bottom up. We got huge levels, okay? So I think I'm pretty happy on what we got so far. 98 cents. I mean, we could add something right here, the 618. That's a big gap, right? Then 265. I mean, that's a take profit level, if you ask me. Like coming up through here. I mean, 265. It's a take profit level, but we're not going to do real take profit levels until we get a setup going. Okay, these are just resistance levels for now. They could be take profit levels. You know, as always, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's just my ideas and my levels. This is what I do for all the assets that I cover, right? I work through it. I don't just hunky-dory, just guess. And so what do we got going on? This is a pretty big 1-2 setup. That's pretty big, right? That is pretty big. Unless we have some, let's see what we got through here. Let's see what we got. Can we make sense of this? I'm going to take this right here. Take this right here. Where's the 1618? Okay, the 1618. So I was good. So 1, 2. We got a 3. Come down for a fourth wave move down. And then you got this 1, 2, 3, come down for a fourth wave move, and then you're like a 1, 2, 3, 4. This thing is almost done. Wow, FILECOIN. FILECOIN looks pretty damn good, if you ask me. I'm gonna move this one just slightly, just ever so slightly, right down to here. Just that 1618. That, I mean, it's come down so far. I wouldn't be surprised if it hits the 1618, right around 54 cents. Okay, 52, 54, potato. Okay. So that's what I got just from price action. Okay, price action on the weekly chart. We're below all the EMAs. We're pretty damn low on just the overall structure. Okay, you're going sideways. Not a lot more to go down. Okay, let's see if we can get a trend line going. By the way, this is on the weekly chart. Okay. Like I said, if you see what I'm doing here and you're like, oh, I want this done for the assets that not just FILECOIN, but the other assets I want, that I'm interested in, go ahead and check out that premium membership. This is what this is from. Premium member requested this. I kind of want to get this right through there, just like that. Okay, so what we're doing, we're bouncing off there. I kind of want to, of that good old OCD. Oh, it's not going to let me. It's going to be difficult. Okay, we're just going to do that. We're just going to do this right there. Screw it. Right, screw it. It's all wonky. It's all right. It gives us a general time frame. Okay, it gives us a general time frame. If I'm being honest, it looks like that we got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can have this 1, 2, A, B, C for your third. Come back up, and then you come back down for your fourth. You come all the way back down for your fifth. I'm sorry. All right, until you get some reversal, until you get some waves to the upside. This is a generality. It doesn't mean if you break this, you're going up. If you break it, you're going down. It's just a time frame. I'm looking first week of July, second week. So I mean next week, right? 4th of July is on Saturday. So Next week Monday, right? Next week Monday. So that'll be a big time to see what FILECOIN does. Bunch of bearish divergences. Yeah, look at your price action. I mean, your VWAP is right above that. If you don't know, your VWAP is that area of rejection or acceptance. Okay, so if you're above your VWAP, okay, you're being accepted into value, and then you target your point of control. If you're below your VWAP, look what happened. Got below your VWAP. What do? You accept the value very low. You try to target it. It was at what was it at 57 cents. What did this get down to? Probably something close. Low 67 cents, 68 cents. So I mean, it's pretty close. It's not pinpoint, but it's the generality of the direction. Do I have an alert on FILECOIN? This is what you get. You get all these alerts if you're a premium member. All these alerts, red, and yes, I do. So when this turns green, all the premium members will get an alert, just like this. Okay, just like that. Oh, sorry, just like this right through here. Not these. Not these. Nope. But they have you know, an opportunity. They have the what am I thinking? I am brain dead right now. They have the option just to request a chart update, so we can get going on that. This is pretty oversold, but what do we have? We got bullish divergence, right? We have higher lows. We have lower lows. We have higher lows. We have lower lows. Right, bullish divergence on FILECOIN. FILECOIN looks very bullish, very good. Coming to a point. This is not the ultimate decision of okay, it needs to make a decision by here, but it's a general time frame, a general timeline. Overall, the price has been going down for a long time. I do like it. I do like 224 just for the first resistance. But I mean, I have something over at $7, and then you saw it $20 up through here. Right? I mean, that's a crazy move if it did get up through there. So that's what I got for FILECOIN. Like I said, if you're interested in the Discord, it's free. Go ahead, check it out. If you don't like it, go ahead and bounce. My feelings won't get hurt, I promise you. Great community, great people in there. There's bullish and bearish people in there, so it's not an echo chamber, which I love. As always, I do thank you for your time. I thank you for stopping by. As always, take it easy. Peace.